Hi friends, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In previous video I show you this 1000 watt mini inverter. Here you can see that. In today's video I want to show you 30 watt mini inverter. Here you can see that there is 30 watt mini inverter. Now let's open it. Friend, there is 30 watt mini inverter. There is positive side, positive input 12 volt, and these two wires output AC voltage 220 volt. Here you can see that, and there's two FETs. To step up voltage, there is two FETs convert DC voltage to AC volt. Here you can see that there is step up converter, and there is capacitor. Here you can see that. Here you can see the structure of this 30 watt mini inverter. There is back data sheet. So friend, that's all about from my this video. Here you can see that. So don't forget to subscribe and also press bell icon for my next video notification. Have a great day. Must be subscribed.